Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can enter employee payroll information when you add new employees to the employees list within the New Employee window. You can also edit the employee's payroll data by using the Edit Employee window if the payroll information changes. In either the New Employee or Edit Employee windows, you can enter or edit payroll information by selecting the Payroll Info tab at the left side of either window. On the Payroll Info tab, select the payroll schedule for the employee from the Payroll Schedule drop-down menu. Enter the type of pay the employee receives by selecting a compensation payroll item from the Item Name column within the Earnings section. To the right of the selected item, you can then enter the amount of compensation into the hourly/annual rate column. Enter any additions, deductions, or company contributions in the Additions, Deductions, and Company Contributions section by selecting the name of the desired payroll item from the Item Name column. Enter the amount for each item entered, as well as the annual limit for each if needed. If the employee uses time data entered into the weekly timesheet or the Time or Enter Single Activity windows to record their hours worked, select the Use Time Data to Create Paychecks checkbox at the bottom of the tab. If the employee is covered by a qualifying pension plan, check the Employee is covered by a qualified pension plan checkbox. Then set the employee's payroll tax data by clicking the Taxes button to open the Taxes dialog box. Enter the employee's payroll tax withholding information into the Federal, State, and Other tabs. Note that the Other tab is used for any special state or local payroll tax information required. After you have entered their payroll tax information, click the OK button within the Taxes dialog box to return to the New Employee or Edit Employee window. To enter the employee's sick and vacation time, click the Sick/Vacation button within the Payroll Info tab to open the Sick and Vacation dialog box. In the Sick and Vacation sections, use the Accrual Period drop-down to select how the employee accrues sick and vacation time. Then enter the number of hours to accrue, the maximum number of hours to accrue, when to begin accruing hours, as well as if and when the number of hours are to be reset by entering the desired values into the fields available. After you have finished entering the sick and vacation information for the employee, click the OK button within the Sick and Vacation dialog box to return to the New Employee or Edit Employee window. When you are finished setting up the employee's payroll data, click the OK button within either the New Employee or Edit Employee windows to close the window and save your changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.